So I'm very grateful to all the representative bodies who've engaged really constructively and earnestly with the government today. I think those talks are going well. I think it's likely that further intensive engagement over the weekend, perhaps in smaller groups, will be required. And we're looking at a range of measures. We're very clear, and we've always been clear as a government, that further specific supports for key sectors of the economy, particularly around agri-food and supply chains, would be required. In the past, we've looked at things like how we can get direct funding schemes to our farmers. We've looked at things around credit supply lines, cash flow, and also at a European level, both myself and the Taoiseach working to see if we can get any flexibility around the Energy Tax Directive to give more scope to do more on that as well. So we're working at a range of issues.
Duty, basically.
We've already brought about reductions in excise duties. Is there more that could be done in that space that would require a degree of European agreement too? So a lot of intensive work going on. All of this is going on. We have heard the pain people are feeling, but the blockade has to end, and we've got to engage in a proper democratic way.
Is there a value on that package of measures that you're considering? Is it in the tens of millions, hundreds of millions?
So look, I want to be respectful to the talks that are underway, but it will be substantial and significant. And it is aimed to try and keep key sectors of our economy going at a time when there are real challenges. People are to the pin of their collar. People are under a lot of pressure. We want to make progress. We've been engaging extensively for quite a period of time now with key sectors, and that engagement will go through the weekend.